This is Mohammad Moinuddin Khan, a student of 73 batch of Rahat English Care. And good evening, beautiful people. Today, I feel truly delighted and deeply honored to have the chance to deliver my speech at this wonderful gathering, which is truly a special and emotional day for us. And we are all students of Rahat English Care, where spoken English is not only taught, but also helps us overcome fear, weakness, and build our confidence. And behind all of this, there is a respected man named Mr. Rahat sir. And Rahat sir is not only a teacher, but also a writer. He has written some books such as Spoken Fighter, Vocab Fighter, Presentation Hero, and lecture books, which have truly helped us become confident English speakers that we have dreamed of. The teachers of Rahat English Care were very punctual, sincere, and attentive to our lessons. They have always tried to teach us English in a simple, effective way, which was truly helpful for us to learn English easily. 3 months ago, I had some basic knowledge of English, but I couldn't speak in English using my knowledge. But day by day, with hard practice and the teacher's guidance of Rahat English Care, my confidence started to grow. And after 3 months, now I can speak in English. And these 3 months not only gave me speaking skills, but also discipline, friendship, and the life-changing lessons. In the future, my plan is continue practicing English every day. And I will try to speak English in my daily life because I want to improve my speaking skills and become more confident. And today, as we say, farewell, but our hearts are full of gratitude, love, and motivation for the future. And we will actually never forget this journey because Rahat English Care has changed our lives and shown us that nothing is impossible. And from today, we believe in ourselves and we are ready to fight for our dreams. So thank you so much to Mr. Rahat sir. So guys, remember one thing, this is not the end of our journey. It's just the beginning. And if we keep practicing English and stay confident and never give up, we will achieve everything we dreamed of. So thank you so much everyone. Hope to see you all again on the stage of success.